Hey guys, good afternoon, Caddy Girl Garage. So this is my water pump that I just got. I hope it's still in one piece because this is the way the box arrived. I know a water pump would be fairly hard to break, but still, as you can see, the box is just like mutilated. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out right now and see what it looks like. This is a water pump for our 60 Hearse. Like I said, if I can get it out of here in one piece. So I got it from Cantor in case anybody wants to look up one for their car. The water pump itself looks really good. They're obviously leak tested and all that kind of stuff. These are getting a little bit hard to find, especially for a decent price. So very happy with this one. Like I said, not happy with the box the way it showed up, but obviously comes with all your gaskets that you need and bolts to put it on with. So just piecing everything together for our motor for when it comes back. You guys probably saw the video yesterday, heater core, radiator's done. So yeah, if you guys need parts, check out Cantor. Might be kind of a good help for somebody out there. But yeah, there's our water pump. So just another piece to the puzzle. Have a great afternoon, guys. Take care.